Here's another immigration quick tip brought to you by Landerholm Immigration.
Assembly Bill 60 that passed last year, or AB 60, allows any resident of California, whether you have valid immigration status or not, to apply for California driver's licenses. So the question is how to do that. The first thing you need to know is you need to have photo ID. So your foreign passport, if you have a passport from overseas, and some foreign documents like a matricula de Mexico will allow you to, will suffice rather, for the purpose of applying for a California state driver's license. Second requirement is you have to show that you are in fact a resident of California. And if you go on the DMV's website, you can see all of the types of evidence that they think justify or show or suffice to prove that you are in fact a California resident. For example, you can show like a lease, that you're leasing an apartment or a room in California. You can show a utilities bill with your name on it. You can show working documentation showing that you have a job in California, things like that. Go on the DMV website and you can see that list, like I said. The third thing that you will need to do is you will need to schedule an online appointment. These appointments are going fast, and so if you want to apply for this type of driver's license, you should go online and schedule your appointment. And then the rest of the process is the same as any type of driver's license. You will need to take and pass a written driver's test. So study for it, because the driver's test is not easy and you have to do it in English, and it has to show that you know all of the laws for driving safely on the roads of California. You also need to take a photo and a thumbprint. You have to pass a vision test, and then you have to schedule and pass a driving test, an actual behind-the-wheel test with a person sitting next to you, making sure that you know how to drive safely and legally. With all of that, though, you will be eligible for a driver's license. The driver's license will be identical to any sort of lawful driver's license in all respects, except it will say the words, quote-unquote, federal limits apply, which means that you will not, unfortunately, be able to use this driver's license to board a plane, for example, and you will not be able to use this driver's license in any state other than the state of California. But otherwise, apply for a driver's license. It's better driving with it than driving without a license, because it's actually a crime in the state of California to drive without a license.
For more information, contact Landerholm Immigration, your Bay Area immigration lawyer. Landerholm Immigration, we fight for your American dream.